what's the difference between powdered glycerol and liquid glycerol? So the main difference is the percentage of active. Due to the fact that they have clumping issues with powdered glycerol, you're only able to get a certain percentage of active material in powdered form. So sometimes it's 45%, 55%, I believe up to 65 or 70%. And you're adding in lots of anti-caking agents. So what those are going to do is going to help with it from clumping, but they also create dehydration because they're trying to avoid clumping. So therefore it's not wanting it to be able to really bond to water. So you're adding in something that is supposed to be hydrating with something that's supposed to be dehydrating. So you have two main components that are different. One is you're putting in anti-caking agents, and the other is you're not getting the full 100% glycerol because that only comes in liquid form. Because obviously you don't need that with a liquid form to put in any anti-caking agents. All you need is pure glycerol along with anything else that you want to add to accentuate the fullness and the pump.